friends, let me show you these two 63 inches light posts that I received from PASAMIC for reviewing purposes. These are solar light posts, so you don't need to wire them or whatever, and of course, well, you will save energy. You get the user manual. As you can see, they are really nice. They have 4 solar panels each. You get 2 of them in each package. You even get some extra light bulbs to replace them if you need. You get all the accessories that you need. These kind of clips if you are going to put them in your garden or lawn. And these other accessories to install them directly in a fence, in a wall. You can even change the height of them. You can use the full height or make them smaller if you need to, okay? This is the post that you will use to put it in lawn or your garden. Let's put them together, okay? As I told you, you could put the 3 sections of it like this, okay? Or you could use only 1 or 2 sections if you want them to be shorter, okay? If you want them to be shorter, okay? Perfect. Let me show you. This is the rechargeable battery. And you want to turn them on or off. If you turn them on, they will turn on when the lights go out, okay? So go off. I'm going to leave them on and we're going to try them in the night, okay? I'm going to put them together both on the maximum height, okay? These are really nice if you want to put them in your patio, in your entrance, anywhere outside that you think they will give a nice light touch to any place. I'm going to turn them on, okay? Perfect. So depending on what kind of floor is there where you want to put them, you could use either these ones for a concrete floor or these ones for any terrain, okay? And if you are going to put them on a patio or lawn, you want to use this one also, so they will be more stable.
Okay. Oh.
As you can see, whenever they detect that there is not enough light, they will turn on. You see, it's a beautiful white, cold white light. We're going to put them later in a nice patio, but I just wanted you to see that they turn on as soon as they detect there is no light, okay? Let's go to the outside patio. Now we are ready to test our light posts. They have been under the sun all day, and now you'll see how they turn on when they detect that is dark, okay? First, you want to turn them on, okay? They look pretty nice. They give a cold white light. I like them very much. And as I told you, you could put them in a different places, like if you want a shorter post, even if you want to put them just with this upper post directly in a fence or in a wall, you could do it. You don't have to wire anything as they are solar lamps, okay? So you can see how beautiful they look by my house door. They are, the posts are metallic, so they are really, really good. And they have 4 different solar panels, so they will be charged wherever the sunlight comes from. Okay, so if you want to have a nice lighting and you don't want to wire or do any extra construction, these light posts are a great option, like here in my landscape or anywhere that you want to put them. Thank you.